I have just been promoted to a social media coordinator. Where can I learn all the things about social media marketing and digital marketing? I'm a newbie in this field, and what are some of the great blogs, websites, paid and or free sites? I think the best place to start is Hubspot, Social Media Examiner. Those are my top two right off the bat. Neil Patel's stuff is good. Foundr is really good in terms of Instagram. Same with Lewis Howes. Amy Porterfield is really good with Facebook marketing. Mari Smith, great with Facebook marketing. In terms of courses, I like one of my favorite courses is Instagram with Intention, or something like that. I forgot who it was, but there's a lot when it comes to doing social media, especially when it comes to having to plan out the content. Next question.